Hey y'all, I'm at CQ, or I'm on CQ, and decided to do my video. If you know, you know. But anywho, y'all. So why didn't nobody tell me that and I'm whispering, but why didn't nobody tell me that with Canva Pro, it's a way that you can use Canva Pro elements and use that as a template. So when you sell it to somebody, they won't have to have a Canva Pro account. Y'all crazy. But anyway, for this template, it's really a template. I used a lot of Canva Pro elements for these designs. So really all you got to do is click on the picture and hit the replace at the bottom left and replace it with your image. The wording is editable, but the book now is not editable, so you won't be able to change that at all because it's a PNG. It's a part of the PNG, should I say. But just click on the picture and hit replace at the bottom left, and you can crop it or whatever you need to do for it to fit. Change the website, add your information, add your logo. For this template, all of the wording is editable, so you can make it into your own. It's a template. Same thing with this one. Appointments available is not editable. All you got to do with this one, you can move it around, but that big circle of glitter in the bag will still be there. So I placed the, what am I trying to say, y'all? I'm tired. It's like 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm on CQ. But just hit the replace button on the images and replace that or those two with your images and add your website and logo, and you'll be finished. So yeah, if y'all got any questions, just let me know. I am exhausted, but I know I needed to do this video in order for me to upload it to Etsy. So thank you guys.